Welcome to the first Mockingbird tutorial. In this video, I'll introduce you to Mockingbird, a powerful tool that helps you create mock environments for testing and development. We'll cover how it can simplify your workflow and make your projects more efficient. First, open your browser and head to the Mockingbird website. Click on Get Started and then on Download Now to go to the GitHub page. Here you'll find download options for Windows and Mac. Select the one that suits your system and download it. Since I'm using a Mac, I'll download the DMG file. Once the download is complete, click on the file to open the installation wizard. Next, drag the Mockingbird icon into the Applications folder to complete the installation. Now go ahead and open Mockingbird. If you see a warning about Mockingbird being from the internet, just confirm it's safe to open. If needed, you may have to run a specific command in the terminal to allow Mockingbird to open. You'll find this command near the installation file on GitHub. After opening Mockingbird, you'll see the Create Project screen. This screen provides four options: create local project, open a local project, clone a project from Git server using SSH, and clone a project from Git server using HTTPS. Let's select the Create Local Project option to start setting up our new project. We'll name it Example Project and then click Create to get started. After creating the project, Mockingbird will take you to the home screen where you'll see all the project details. On the left side, you'll see a list of all your servers and the routes inside each server. At the top left, you'll find drop-down with list of your projects, and on the right, you'll find the Start Servers button. Click there to start your server. Once the server is started, you'll see a button that shows all the server URLs. I'll explain a little about the hierarchy of servers, parents, routes, and responses in Mockingbird. In Mockingbird, you can have multiple servers to mock every server or service that your app needs. Under each server, you can have multiple parents, which can either be REST or GraphQL parents. Each parent can then have multiple routes. This hierarchy is designed to mimic an actual server structure, making it easier to create and organize all of your mock calls. Next, click on the REST parent and then click on the Get examples. This will display all the results of the Get call. In Mockingbird, you can have multiple response options. You'll click on the route path to execute the call. This will open the browser and show the result of the call. I'll set another response as active and then execute the call again to show how the response changes. Mockingbird supports three types of responses: JSON, function, and a proxy. You can see, as I change the response, it updates instantly, which is especially useful during the development process when you need to test multiple response options. Click Add Response. A pop-up will appear where you can choose JSON, function, or proxy. Select JSON, enter Hello World, and then click Save. And click on the URL that will show. The browser will open and show you the Hello World that you just added. At the bottom of Mockingbird, you'll find the console where you can see all the calls your server accepted and responded to, including details like the request and response and whether the call existed in Mockingbird. I'll be creating more tutorials on how to set up Mockingbird with Docker, how to set up a GraphQL server, and other features, including using Mockingbird with Git, and most useful, how to use Mockingbird as a proxy and connect it to a real server. See you in the next one.